Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide series to PixelLab. This series is for anyone at any level of smartphone graphic design. So if you are interested in graphic design using your smartphone, join me as I discuss this beginner series to PixelLab. In this series, I will show you how to make stunning design with just your smartphone, the PixelLab app, and a little bit of your time. My name is Oluwadrotimi and welcome again to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, consider hitting the subscribe button right now, and also ensure to like, comment, and click the bell icon so you can be notified anytime I drop videos like this in the future. If you are yet to download the PixelLab app, I will advise that you do that now so that you can follow this series as I go through it. Um, and to do that, you can quickly go to if you're using Android, just go to the Play Store and search for the PixelLab and download it straight to your phone. But if you really want to follow through and have the same interface as I have, because I'm using the pro version, go into the description of this video. You will find the link to download the pro version of the PixelLab. It's not on the Play Store, so don't even bother to go there and start searching for the pro version of PixelLab. That being said, I want us to go straight now, and I'll walk you through the interface of the PixelLab in this first video, and the next video I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the interface in the PixelLab. So I'll go straight now. Like I said, I'm using the pro version. You can see the icon is black with the PixelLab written in white, the P in white there. So click on that and I'll open it. So if you are opening it for the first time, you might see something like this, but if you are not seeing, just chill, okay? But you should have something like this. So I would love to start from the bottom here, then to the top, bottom to the top. And why is that? Like I said, we're going to in this video we're just going to be looking at the interface of the PixelLab. So in the next video I'm going to be going into details on each interface, why they are important. All right, the first interface, the first thing I want you to pay attention there is these three cycle that I mean these three. You can see my icon, my cursor, sorry, these three um icon. It's we call it the default interface of PixelLab. So that means whenever you go to PixelLab, that is the first thing you will see. And when you click on that, this is all you're going to see. Okay, this is all you're going to see. This thing, you have the first thing here. It's my project. Then we have a template here. These are templates. These are different templates you can use to design different templates. You can see that we have different templates you can choose from, different templates. But that is not where we're going. We just want to look, just to glance through. Here in my project, you see your previous project, everything you've been doing before. If you're not new to PixelLab, this is where you can locate everything you have been doing before in PixelLab. So that being said, that's the first interface. Is called the what? The default interface. The second interface is this A icon here. A icon. I want you to notice as I click on, you can see this first one is highlighted in blue, but the other ones are highlighted in what? In gray. But the moment I click on this A, You see, it's highlighted back in blue, why this one has turned back to gray. That means I am currently on this A icon. This A icon is called the text interface. The text interface. What's this one for? You can see the moment we click on this interface, we have text and we have quote. That means anytime we want to work on text, this is where we have to click on. Okay, this is where we have to click on. Anytime we're working on text, this is where we have to click on. And let me show you one thing quickly. You can see this is a text here. This is a text here. The moment we click on this text here, you see other options will come up. Tons of like options, different many options pops up the moment I click on this text. But if I click out, that means if I did not click on this text, if I click out, the options disappear. So that means anytime I want to work on text, maybe I want to work on this text, I must come here. For instance, if I click on this text, if I click here and I come back to the first interface, which is the default interface, you see nothing will happen. Okay, nothing happens. If I come to the next one here, nothing happens. So anytime I want to work on this, if I do anything here, because I click here, if I do anything, it will not affect this text. Okay, same thing here, it will not affect this text. So anytime I want to work on text, I must always come here. Okay, it's very vital to come here. And even if you come here, let me do something really quick. I will still explain that. I'm selecting on it on a shape now, a square. Okay, it's a square. I'm clicking a square now, and I'm coming back to the text here. You see, nothing shows up. It means that I'm not working on text. So if I want to work with this interface, I must click on text. Okay, you saw that? You see that? You see that? All right. So the next interface we have here is the shape interface. The shape interface. See, here I'm clicking on text, and here I'm clicking on shape. You can see when I click on text and click on shape here, I have only 6 options: the sticker, the import, draw, shapes, bezier, and arrow. But the moment I click on shape here, on this square, which is a shape, other options comes up. You see, other option comes up. You see, you see that? So that shows that I am working on shape. Shows I'm working on shape. So if I'm clicking this and I'm clicking this shape interface, nothing happens. That means I can't be working on text and be clicking this interface. So if I want to work on, if I really want to make use of this interface, I must click on a shape. If I can't be working on shape and be clicking here and be clicking text. Okay, if I want to work with shape, I must click the shape interface. The next thing here, I'm going to combine these two because they are working together. The next one we have here is this it's called the background interface. For instance, if I want to change the background of this design, it's a pretty cool design. Okay, if I want to change the background of this design, I'll have to come here, click here, okay, and click. We have color. If I want to use color, I can click on color. If I don't want it to have a background, I want to make it transparent, I can use this one. I can click here. If I want to resize, this one is like a 4x4 um uh, image size. If I want to change it maybe to 3x4 and all that, this is where to change it. I'm going to go into details on each of these explaining each of these functionality. When you click here, for instance, each of these, I'm going to be explaining everything to you, but for now, just stick with me as I explain the interface. So if I want to change, let's say the color, instead of images, let me use color. If I want to use color, I can come here, boah, changed. You see that? So I can change the color to anything I want. Okay, so transparent, that means I don't want it to have any color. You see that? So it's not, if I save it now, it will not have any color. I want the color back, I'll just click here. Poof. That's that. And if I want to use let's say I want to use image instead of color, I can click here and I will import my image. You see, we have pre-made images right here already. Pre-made image. You see that? You see that? You see that? So these are pre-made images. These are pre-made images. Pre-made images. So, or can just come here and choose an image from my gallery. That means from my phone. If I have image on my phone, can go there and peer, can choose any image here. But I know what to do that now, so that is that. And next thing we have here is this filter interface. The filter interface. This filter interface, the reason why I said I want to combine this shape and this filter image is because anything you do under this filter interface is going to affect everything you did on your background here. For instance, I am already on the interface, on the filter interface. If I click on this vignette and enable it, you see what happened. It will not affect this shape, neither will it affect this text. It only affects the background. If I click on noise, for instance, I enable it, same thing. If I click on let's say stripe and enable it, same thing. It will not affect this. It only affects, if I click on brightness and you see darken it, lighten it up, darken it, it only affects the shape, sorry, the background, not affecting the shape or the text, nothing. So most of the times, the reason why I group these two together is because you can't you can't use this one without this one. You can still use this without this, but you can't use this without this. So, and most of the time, whenever we are designing, we normally don't use these two. Our concentration are always on these three. Most importantly, these two: the text and the text interface and the shape interface. So it's either here, here, or here. Working with these three. These three. You don't work. I really don't like working with these two. Except the only time the only time I use this background interface is when I'm working with a transparency background. That is, maybe I'm designing a logo and I don't want it to have background. That is when I use this background and I use the transparency effect here. Alright, that being said, I think I've been able to wrap that up. The next thing I want us to look at as I close up this session is the icons up here. See, these icons, the plus, the save, the share, this what's it called, quotes icon, then these three dots, this is a layer, the same thing we have in Photoshop, for instance. This, the grid, the plus, this plus icon means to zoom in or zoom out. Then the undo button. Everything we have here, apart from this one, which is the layer, the grid, the share, and the save button, every other thing we have here are like a shortcut. There are shortcuts to everything we have here. There are shortcuts. Look, for instance, if I come here, we have text, right, and we have quote. This is quote. Okay, this is quote up here. is here. If you come here, you will see text, add text. Same thing, we have a text, text. You see that? Then here we have shape, we have sticker, we have shape. If you come here, you will see sticker, you will see shapes, sticker and shape. If you come here, you have this import. This from gallery actually means import here. That means if you want to bring an image from your phone, so we have import, same thing as from image here. To draw, this is draw. You see that? So everything we have here, they're like a shortcut. The same thing from image from gallery, same thing as import here, same thing as import here. So everything we have here, everything here, apart from this, this and this, I mean the share, the save, the share, the undo, the zoom, the grid, and um the layer, every other thing, almost every other thing are found here. So here are just a shortcut. Everything up here are just like, you can call them shortcuts to everything we have in the layer here, in the interface section here. Okay, I think I should stop now. This is 16 minutes. Wow, almost 17 minutes. So that is basically everything you need to know about the interface. In the next videos, I'm going to be showing you how, when to use this particular interface, this one and on others, and how you should use them in every of your design. I want to say big congratulations to you if you have watched to this very moment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so, and like, comment, hit the bell icon for more videos, and stay tuned. Oluwadrotimi once again. See you in the next video. Bye.